consistently abusing the youth, them, fooling the youth, them, make them go astray. Tell me, who is gonna pay? Tell me, who is gonna take the blame? Tell me, are you gonna walk away from the children of today? Are you gonna pay the way? Someone said, please don't do it. Don't do it. Won't you take a second thought before you pursue it? Man, please don't do it. Man, no. Won't you take a second thought before you my bird, and I will never give it away. Yeah. Jamaica is the land of my birth. No, I will never dish your dirt. No way. Jamaica is the land of my birth, and I will never give it away. Yeah. Jamaica is the land of my birth. Please hear us, Angel 5. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Won't you make a second thought before you do it? What I'm saying, Angel Vibes, you don't know DJ Last give us a station at the fire, you know what I mean? We praise and say the Almighty. Would you make a second thought before you pursue it? Human, please don't bossy. Please don't bossy. Won't you take a second thought